In this video, I will be showing you how to create a laptop mockup in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'm going to head over to the top right of the Canva home screen and click on the Custom Size button. I'll select the 8.5 by 11-inch document from my recent sizes to open a new blank project. Once the canvas loads, I'll navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and scroll down until I find the Mockups category. I'll click See All next to the Computers section to browse the different laptop frames available. I'll select my first laptop mockup to add it to the page, and then drag the corners to scale it up. Now I'll add a second page and choose a lifestyle mockup, resizing it to fill the canvas. I'll repeat this by adding a third page and selecting a side view mockup, followed by a fourth page where I'll add a mockup with a vibrant yellow background. For my final page, I'll scroll through the options and pick this modern laptop on a concrete stand, expanding it to fit the entire frame. Next, I'll go back to the search bar in the Elements tab and type in laptop wallpaper before switching over to the Photos section. I'll find a colorful abstract design and simply drag and drop it directly onto the screen of my mockup. I'll continue scrolling through the photos and move back up through my pages, dragging a different vibrant wallpaper into each laptop screen. I'll add a neon digital design to page 4, a blue wavy pattern to page 3, and a geometric texture to page 2. Finally, I'll choose a soft pink abstract design for the mockup on my first page. Now that all the mockups are finished, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I'll double check that all 5 pages are selected and then hit the Download button to save my new laptop mockups.